Tuesday soccer practice, Wednesday dance recital, Thursday dinner with the Carsons, Friday meet with Linda. Now that really is a busy schedule. Who's Linda?
She's our financial advisor. We meet with her regularly just to make sure our retirement goals are on track. We also like to review Max's college savings fund. The last time we met with her, she encouraged us to enroll in online brokerage. It's one of her best recommendations.
Online brokerage? What's that?
Well, it's a quick and easy way for us to access our brokerage account information online 24/7.
Is it complicated?
No, and you know I'm no financial expert. That's why we've been working with Linda for years, and now that we've enrolled in online brokerage, it's the perfect companion. I feel like I'm a more educated investor because I have access to my current positions and balances online. It's also really cool because I get in-depth market data, news, and research.
What else can it do for you?
Well, I can get our statements and our tax documents electronically, which help me to get a better handle on our financial picture. And it also helps to cut down on the clutter around the house. And it's more secure than having our financial information go through the mail.
Wow. Now, can you get all of that information on a smartphone?
Actually, I can. I use a convenient mobile app that allows me to manage our portfolio from the soccer field to the dance recital.
Now, that really is perfect for your busy schedule. No, I think it might be a good idea for your father and me. Can you show me how to enroll?
Sure. I mean, it's quick and easy. And then you'll see how it frees up your time so you can spend it doing the things you love with the people you love.